gonna do addition. So we need 1 gummy plus
5 gummies. Gummy bear. Gummy bear. Oh yeah, Papa Doobie Yum Yum, Papa Doobie Yum Yum, Papa Doobie Yum Yum, sweetheart, you come back.
Okay, so we need, okay, right here we have 4, how many?
5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
We need
5. So let's get this. 5.
Now we need
1. So we need
Okay, so now let's add it up. Okay, so 1 gummy plus 5 gummies equals
6.
how many? Count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Very good.
Bye everyone. See you soon. Gummy bear. Gummy bear. Doobie Yum Yum. Papa Doobie Yum Yum, sweetheart, you come back.